Yo, what's good? This is a little DJ or chart recap trades I've been taking. $50 in the account. It's at 200 right now. I've took three trades, well, four trades, but three trades really. You're gonna be like, your entries look very precise. I appreciate that. They are. So, little three trades I've took in these 3 days. I've caught basically all of the moves besides this sell, which I closed early. And if we go down to like the 1 hour UCY, like we had this, like I got in here, or not here, I got in here, and then we kind of pushed down, but like I was just not feeling it. I was like, I don't know, I don't want to deal with this consolidation, even though we wicked down to kind of, fill in this gap over here, but I just didn't like it, so I kind of got out early, and I was waiting for this buy, which did happen. If I go up time frame, you'd be like, yo, I mean, you can see this is, I would say, pretty good entry, barely in a drawdown, no drawdown at all, no drawdown here either. But I just want to show y'all, how I'm getting these entries and why I'm taking these trades and stuff like that. Actually, let me move this like that. So first, with this buy here, you can see how we kind of, well, first we had this gap to start off the week, which I was eyeing, and I noticed we went very bearish, right? And then what do you see here? We see a double bottom here, right here, and so I buy off this. There's a liquidity line here. We've wicked one, two, three. We've wicked here. We've had liquidity. I bought off this double bottom, and I just wanted us to fill the gap right here, which I was looking to TP out here, which is about 60, 70 pips. But I didn't even partial out. I just held. I just kept holding, and I came out with 170 pips, even though we had that. You know what I mean? I'll take my money. I like to say, don't be greedy. Just take your money, because I missed a buy today earlier, just now off this. Kind of mad about it, but it's okay. And then I was like, okay, at the top we've made a new high. What do we need? We need a lower high. So that's kind of what we made here. Kind of made a lower high, not a lower low, but a lower high. I just didn't hold it long enough. It happens. I mean, 20, or how much did I make off of it? Made $20. You gotta be happy. I took another sell in between that, like another, like I think I skilled in or something, and it just didn't work. And I just cover that basically, and then I'll go over this trade I just caught just now, literally just now. So I caught it off the wick. They filled me in at 188 300. I swear I put my entry at 188 500, but it happens that way. It can happen like that. You just gotta be happy. Um, you can see $84, 120 pips. We're obviously seeing it go way longer now, but that happens. So I just want to show why I got in this trade. So you see, like, we get the push, we get the drop, kind of like the retest, whatever. We get the consolidation, and then if you fib it from just here to here, or from here to where we're at this last high over here, you know what I mean? And you could just see that 61.8 just poking right here. I take this, bam, and we just go. And we're probably going to come up to this 190 area, to be honest, negative 27 extension. But took it off the 61.8, saw we had structure, saw we had that bear. So, you know what I mean? I'm just thinking, okay, what's next? We should be buying off a certain area, which lines up with this imbalance candle too. You see how these two candles, you can see mini double bottom. You're going to have to notice these patterns a lot. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, quote unquote, double bottom, or just, this is just where support's at too. So I'd like to just say that. Bam, you catch the buy. And then I wanted to show y'all, something new I've been figuring out, been trading. So if you see this candle, even on the 2 hour, 4 hour, this candle is huge candle, right? And then 1 hour, where do we come down to perfectly? This is an imbalance candle. You see how this candle is just way bigger than all the other candles. This candle too, way bigger than all the other candles. This is an imbalance candle. And if you know about imbalances, we wick almost like a fair value gap. I was looking for, I'll just show you. I was looking for this entry right here. This entry right here. You see how the candle stops right here perfectly on the imbalance? I wanted this entry right here. This entry, for these type of entries, you're just looking in and out, right? Or maybe you can hold, It's 1 o'clock. Time really matters, but you could be up. I could be up 115 pips right now if I didn't get greedy. I really wanted like an entry like more here, but ended up kind of stopping here, and then I wasn't paying attention to the charts like an hour ago, and so I just missed this, and just went up. But that's another little entry you can get. It's all just about like you see these trades they go on no drawn on. It's just all about your entry, watching the candles, thinking about your entry, and I would say don't hesitate. Yeah, that's it.